Hello everybody, I'm Ariel.
I'm Nicole.
Welcome to Taiwan Top 5! Do you like baking crafts?
I sure do. Is that what we're doing today?
Today we're gonna make some pottery, some carpets, and some Taiwanese traditional desserts.
You know, I'm actually very confident in my artistic skills.
Really? Yes, today we're gonna take you to the top 5 crafts in Taiwan. You don't need to worry about the weather condition and experience Taiwan through your hands. Let's go.
So excited for this location.
Does it have anything to do with the yawn behind me?
It sure does, because we're gonna tuft a rug of my cat, Kiki.
So excited!
Okay, let's go. So now we are gonna start by tracing the outline of Kiki.
Now we're gonna use our tufting gun and start our rug.
You got this.
I've got this. Oh, it's a pro. We filled in the color and we're almost finished.
Now it's time to glue. Now we're gonna use the blow dryers to dry the glue. Use the electric shaver to trim the surface of the rug.
This is our creation!
So cute!
Do you like it?
I think Kiki would love it. Yeah.
So this is a very meditating process in a chill afternoon. Guess what we're here for? Ta-da! Not for anything else, but for a traditional craft experience.
Yes, Taiwan has many traditional crafts, and indigo dyeing is one that definitely comes to mind.
And I heard it's really hard to dye, but I'm ready to try. We're gonna start by using the rubber bands to create the patterns.
Yeah, so you basically just scrunch up and then you secure it with a rubber band.
So simple. Now we're gonna start our dyeing process.
Yes.
Okay.
So I think we have to do this for about 2 to 3 minutes.
3 minutes. The color indigo we have here all comes from natural ingredients. By soaking and stirring malan leaves and adding lime water for oxidation, finally to collect indigo clay for usage. Whoa!
Oh, mine's super blue. It's time to see what we have created.
Wow!
Look at that.
Looks so good!
Right?
You have 2 different patterns. Whoa! Okay! Oh!
It's like little flowers.
Yeah.
It's very pretty. Okay, so now we're gonna make a handmade craft that is not just an experience, but it's gonna become a lasting memory for us.
What is it?
We're gonna make pottery, and I'm gonna look at it every single day and remember you.
I'm blushing.
I know, let's get started. Hello.
Teacher!
你们好，
Teach us how to use this?
好啊，没问题。你们有想做什么作品吗？
I want to make a beautiful vase.
Yeah.
我们就尽力试试看。
Are you ready?
I'm ready. Are you sure you want to make a vase?
Yeah, definitely changing my mind.
We're ready.
We're ready. Oh, that's it? Oh my god. It doesn't look really well. Okay. I made a donut, everybody.
We picked our colors that we are gonna paint our projects with.
And later on, we're gonna carve our initials on it, and it's ready for the kids.
Exactly. So why did you take me here today?
Today, we're gonna make a satisfying food that also symbolizes good luck. This is called Ku Kueh, red turtle rice cake.
I've heard of rice cakes, but red turtle?
Let's go find out.
All right.
现在打开我们的材料盒，那我们拿出白色的桂，我们现在在袋子里面开始揉捏。
And it smells good.
It does?
I like the smell.
Ooh! First, add some oil onto the palm of your hands and roll the glutinous sticky rice dough into the shape of a ball.
Then you put the red yeast rice into the dough to give it a red color.
Next, you add red bean paste into the center of the dough as a filling.
At last, you put the dough into the mold and press it with your thumb to give it an engraving.
So Ku Kuehs are especially prepared for auspicious occasions such as birthdays and religious festivals because they symbolize blessings and good fortune. We're gonna go steam this.
Look at the Ku Kuehs we made. Traditional way, it looks like this. And this is when you follow the teacher's directions, you get a chubby.
Chubby and cute.
So we dedicate this Ku Kuehs for everyone who's watching.
So you guys should definitely come and try to make this for yourself as well. It's really fun. So where are you taking me now?
We're going to mochi. This is just the rice dough. You still have to massage it and start kneading it. When it's okay, you have to add syrup all inside.
For that sweetness to the mochi. Squish, pound.
Pound, pound, pound.
Pound. And then now we have to poke some holes into it.
Poke some holes.
Poke some holes. All right. In the steamer it goes.
Okay, it's my
Okay.
turn.
Go wait.
It's finally time to pound the mochi. This is a wooden mortar and a wooden pestle.
All right, it's showtime.
Ooh, very sticky. Like I said, it makes it more chewy. It's mochi time! Okay,
Mochi time.
wait for me. Dip it inside the peanut.
I'm gonna make sure that
Powder.
the mochi is definitely one of the most memorable Taiwanese desserts. So if you're in Taiwan, make sure you try it out.
Give it a try. Today, we brought you along to 5 hands-on craft experiences.
Yes, there were food, there were arts and crafts, and they were all filled with artistic vibes.
So when you visit Taiwan, don't just go to the classic tourist spots.
Exactly, because doing this can really enrich your trip and maybe even make it more healing, perhaps.
If you like our recommendation, remember to
Like and subscribe and follow for more
Taiwan Top 5!